Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to decorate cupcakes. Let's get started. So here I'm just going to be filling in my piping bag. So I cut off the tip and it looks like I cut too small. I have to add a little more. Yes, and this is perfect. You don't necessarily have to have this holder. You can use a cup, a glass, or whatever you have in the house. And then filling in my piping bag. Here I got too excited. This was too much. So fingers crossed this works. Fingers crossed. Okay. Just pushing through the icing. And please note, I used fresh cream in this video. Okay, it works. And please note, when you're decorating cupcakes, you really have to just cut off the top part, because if you're going to do your decorations and the top part is somehow curved, the decorations you're going to put are going to start falling off or sliding off. So it's better to have a flat top on your cupcakes. Now that I have cut all the cupcakes, I can start my piping. So I put my lovely swirl. It's a matter of placing your nozzle and pushing the piping bag softly, gently, not too hard. Simply placing your nozzle and pressing just a little bit. Another one, simply placing it, squeezing a little bit and remove. And another one, simply placing my nozzle and squeezing a little bit and going round and round and removing. I used to be very scared about piping cupcakes, but my hand is now a bit more stable. It needs more practice, really. The more you practice, you make this perfect. So my swirls are done for my 6 cupcakes. I just did half the batch with swirls, and then the other half I'm doing something else. And these ones, I'm thinking they look too plain at the top, so I decided to put a little bit of sprinkles. And to add my sprinkles, I used a spoon so that I don't use too much. And now to do the other batch of my cupcakes, I've got my sprinkles in a bowl. This will make it easier for what I want to do. My fresh cream in the bowl again. I'm using a tablespoon to spread the fresh cream on top of the cupcake. Why my hand was in the frame of the camera, I don't understand, instead of the cupcake. And here I dip my cupcake into the sprinkles. Just making sure every angle is covered, every corner is covered. On to the next one. I do the same thing. I cover my cupcake on top with a teaspoon, gently, evenly covering the top of my cupcake. Once again, my hand is in the frame. Applying the cream on top of the cupcake once again. And it's not too much, it's just enough to cover the top part of the cupcake. And this one is good, it's showing. My hand is not in the frame. And then dipping once again into the sprinkles. Once my cupcake is covered at the top, I dip it into the sprinkles. And there you have it, 2 easy and adorable ways to decorate your cupcake. Whether you prefer the elegant swirls or the fun sprinkled covered look, these techniques are sure to impress. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more baking fun. See you next time.